So much fun happens in February. I mean, we've got Valentine's Day, we've got Super Bowl, and our lifestyle advisor, Dawn McCarthy from Dawn's Corner, is joining us with a lot of fun items to try. A lot here, a wide variety. So what's going on?
So we're going to start off with some stuff for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is all about chocolate. So this is L'Amour chocolates, and I have a beautiful...
Look at this. It looks like jewelry.
Exactly. So this is their 9-piece truffle vault box. And again, this is 24-karat edible gold, hand-polished French chocolate infused with liqueur. So this is not...
Looks like jewelry.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Jewelry
it's
box.
not for anyone under 21 years old.
Oh.
And it's one of the premium chocolates, actually, in a lot of the Hollywood swag bags that a lot of the celebrities get. So it's a great gift to get your Valentine, the one you love, maybe a little corporate gifting, or for people here. Again, it's just a fun, personable gift, and it's absolutely gorgeous, delicious. And again, it's a French chocolate, so it's for the connoisseurs of chocolate in your life.
I don't think I've ever had chocolate that expensive, so I can't wait to try that.
It's really, really, really good.
Okay.
Well, you guys were just talking about on CBS. I was just watching it this morning. It's all about tweens and skincare.
Yes.
But I actually have a product that teens should be using called Be-Tween skincare. And again, do you even know what a tween is considered these days? What age?
That'd be anywhere from 10 to 12 is my guess.
So it's actually 8 to 13. And so this was created by a mom, and it's for boys and girls. And it's absolutely wonderful. It's a simple 3-step process, and it's creating something that's healthy for them to do, very easy, very simple, but very, very effective. I absolutely love this line. It has an aloe-based, and if you know anything about makeups and things for your skin, aloe is one of those calming things. So this is great for boys and girls. Like I said, she's a mom. She created it herself. She's out of Korea. So this is the best of the best, and it's really fun. And it's, again, easy on the go for tweens to actually do.
Love that.
Next, I'm sticking kind of with the kids, and I'm going to give you some kudos in this company. So this is TruHeight Vitamins, and this is clinically proven, all-natural supplements to address the 5 key growth factors for kids. And so that's nutrition, stress, sleep, immunity, and hormone balance, because 40% of height, Amy, actually comes from nutrition and lifestyle. So you did something right with your kids.
I did something right.
Her kids are 6'7", and I'm only 5'2", so I think I have some stuff, but 70% of the U.S. adolescents is actually lacking in this. So this is pediatrician recommended. You can make a nice shake on the go. They have easy to eat gummies. They're made right here in the USA. So this is kind of for my kids and teens and things like that, for that source. But it's something for and created for them. They should not be using other things that are not for them.
You know, my baby's 6'5". He wants to get to be 6'8" like his big brother. So maybe, you know, have to try
these. Is he 6'8" now? That's crazy. That's crazy. Well, speaking of nutrition, this is Country Archer, and I actually picked these up at my local Sprouts. This is the Country's Archer Ancestral Beef Blend Meat Sticks. So they have a spicy and an original, and like I said, you can get them at Sprouts, and it's first in category of low sugar snack with 7 grams of protein, combining kind of grass-fed beef, beef heart, beef liver, excuse me, heart, and it's really the benefits of the organ meats. There's no fillers. This is enhanced nutrition on the go, easy to grab, great tasting, and again, you can just get them locally at Sprouts. It just came out. They're delicious.
Yeah, and 0 sugar, which a lot of folks that are doing high protein diets.
Absolutely, this is perfect for them. And then lastly, do you know how many chicken wings are eaten on Super Bowl Sunday?
A lot. I know it's a lot.
Well, take a guess.
I don't even know how many pounds.
1 billion chicken wings are actually eating. And what goes best with chicken wings? Chunky blue cheese dressing. So this is Marie's. I absolutely love them. They're America's game day staple. You can't have wings without cutting it with some blue cheese. You can use vegetables, put it on a hamburger if you're grilling. You can find these in the refrigerated section. And again, they're at Sprouts. Like I just said, you can get Country Archer, Target, Walmart. And again, they're just fresh quality ingredients. That's why they're in the refrigeration. And I think they have almost over 50 varieties now. And then lastly, for Valentine's Day, BloomsyBox. So if, you know, George or your husband is watching out there, you want to send somebody you love, they can get you there within delivery with overnight in 1 day, or they have subscription services that are fabulous.
Well, roses are always nice, but chocolate?
So yes, we will have to try to take this right here.
Thanks so much, Dawn. We appreciate all the information. And of course, you can find more information about all of these products that you've just seen today on Dawn's Corner by going to our website, kcalnews.com, and click See.